Welcome students. Today we will discuss some question related to profit, loss and discount. Worksheet 2. Now third question is an Almira of max price rupees 4000 is sold for rupees 3700 after allowing a certain discount. Find the rate of discount. Now first here max price of the Almira. Max price rupees 4000 and selling price SP of Almira rupees 3700. Now discount is equal to max price minus selling price. Now max price is that max price 4000 and selling price this minus 3700. Value is equal to rupees 300. Discount rupees 300. Now discount percent discount by MP into 100. Remember that max price discount is given only max price. Now discount is rupees 300 by max price 4000 multiplied by 100. Now solve it. .5% discount percent equal to 7.5%. Now second question is find the max price of a washing machine which is sold at rupees 8400 after allowing a discount of 60%. Now sold means selling price is given. SP of washing machine is equal to rupees 8400 and discount percent is 16%. Max price is asking. Now we know that max price equal to selling price into 100 by 100 minus discount percent. Now put this value. Selling price 8400 into 100 by 100 minus 16. Now this value is 8400 by 84. Cancel, thus become 100 and 100, that is equal to rupees 10,000. Now max price of the washing machine will be 10,000. This is our answer. Now next question is the max price of a computer is rupees 22,000 after allowing a 10% discount. Dealer still makes a profit of 20%. Find the cost price of a computer. Now first Write the max price of computer, MP of computer, rupees 22,000. Now discount percent is 10%. Discount percent is allowed on max price. Discount percent 10% means 10% of MP. Now 10 to max price is 22,000. Now solve it. Discount is rupees 2200. Now calculate the selling price. Now selling price of computer, selling price will be max price minus discount, means 22,000 minus 2200. This value will be rupees 19,800. That is selling price. Now question is cost price. Now cost price CP is equal to SP into 100 by 100 plus profit percent. Now SP 19,800 into 100 by 100 plus profit is here 20%, means plus 20. Now this value is by 120. Solve. This value become 16,500. Now cost price of the computer becomes 16,500. Now next question is, the max price of a double bed sheet is rupees 9,575. A shopkeeper allow a discount of 12% and still gains 10%. Find the CP of double bed sheet. Question asking the CP of double bed sheet. First max price given, discount given and profit given. So max price MP of bed sheet rupees 9,575. Now discount percent %10 of max price. Always remember that discount is allotted only max price. Now 10% means 10 by 100 into max price 9,575. Now here discount is 12%. This is 12%. Now this value become rupees 1,149. Now discount this, calculate the selling price SP is equal to max price minus discount. Now SP is equal to minus discount. Max price is 9,575 minus discount 1,149. Its value is equal to rupees 8,426. Now again profit is given 20%. Now profit is 10%. Now CP is equal to SP into 100 by 100 minus 100 plus profit percent. That value is SP 8,426 into 100 by 100 plus profit 10. 8426 into 100 110. Now this value is equal to 7,660. Cost price of the bedsheet becomes 7,000. Answer will be CP of bedsheet rupees 7,660. Okay, thank you today.